Hey guys, so I wanted to make you a how to create something on Canva. So in case you haven't learned yet, and you will, I'm obsessed with this platform. I'm obsessed with Canva. To me, like art is everything, and getting to design things like PowerPoint presentations and such, just I don't know, I just freaking love it. So I wanted to kind of give you like a cruise around Canva. So from this perspective, I do pay for Canva. You can get Canva for free, and I'm going to show you some of the, come on, dear mouse, move my mouse. I'm trying to get my mouse to move. It's not paying any attention to me this morning. Oh, I think it's because I dropped it. That's normal. Welcome to my world. So with this, what I love more than anything is I use this for all of my emails, like all of my newsletters that I send out. I create a Canva picture for something special for all of my social media. I do all of my social media off of Canva. So if I want to grab a picture of myself or grab some other like thought bubble, I can take anything and add words to it and just make it really pretty and delightful. But as well for your online sort of space, as you are creating PowerPoint presentation stuff, a lot of you might know how to do it. Some of you, this might be rather new. So I'm going to take this from the perspective of how to create beautiful PowerPoint presentation style pieces. So as you can see, I'm kind of wheeling through all the options. It goes through business cards, menus, Facebook covers. If you guys are trying to create menus still for what you offer at Nurture, this is a great place to come and hang out. So we're going to go to presentation. And just wait for the, interwebs to catch up with us. So here are all the presentations. This is the one that I have been using for our presentation for learning how to put your business online. So this is the template that I've used. Now, this is the pro section, but we can move into the free. So right here on this little button here, you can choose to filter it with just the frees. And you'll apply that. And I want to be clear, you can pay for everything. In case you haven't noticed that in the world, you can literally pay for everything. But Canva is free if you want it to be. And it'll offer you the free templates. It'll also offer you the pro templates, and it'll offer you the pay for templates. So if you're operating on a budget, I want you to know that this is a very budget friendly tool. And you can go into the templates here, and it's now going to filter out anything that we want. Let's change that. And here we go. We've got all of our free templates. It's going to show us what we can do for free. And again, we can use this one for free. It wasn't a pro template. But you can see here that you can add anything to it. And let me show you this. This is my favorite thing. So right here we have this picture. So now you can go into photo and say that's not your jam and you're a spa and you want this, see, you can just go like this, drag this baby over, and voila, it shifted into that. I hope you guys just saw that. I'll do it again with a different picture. So we want to represent this one into that spot. There we go. And you can come in here and crop it right here. So you can move it to adjust to fit in and look however you want it to as well. So if it wasn't a perfect fit, you can adjust it, okay? That's how cool this tool is. Additionally, if you don't like the templates, if you got to the templates and you're like, well, shitballs, they don't have what I'm looking for. I don't like any of these templates. None of them really feel like my vibe. Well, then you can skip the template altogether and just go into the photos. Now, again, from the photo perspective here, you can say, I want free photos only, and I want them to be horizontal. I only want you to show me horizontal photos. And why? Because I'm building out presentation and I don't want to have to adjust that much. Because if I'm going to build out my own template and I'm not going to use the Canva templates, then I'm just going to want to be able to cover the whole thing. So now I can bring this whole thing over here. See, and they're not going to let me do it the way that I want. So here's what we're going to do. Delete. I'm going to delete these templates. If it's going to let me. This is the beauty of doing on the fly trainings, you guys, is sometimes even I mystify myself here. So let's do this. But again, here's the thing, is as you see me whizzing through this, it's that easy to change your mind. So now I can just go to blank. And again, just the reiteration of learning here. We're going to go to photos. We're going to go up to the filter, punch in free. And we're going to drag down here. We want the orientation to be horizontal. Apply that filter. And now it's only going to give us free. Now, let's say that you are massage. You just want to create a massage situation. So everything that you do from your learning tools is going to be this. So if you're not doing videos of you, but you want to create even just a thumbprint for your video, or you want to create just a starting page before you do this, you can pull that up. Now you can go into text and you can choose from any of these font combinations, or you can add an element here first, which I like to do when I'm adding text on a really big picture. I will add a block. And obviously that is too big, but here again, we get to adjust. We get to create this however we want it to be in the space. Essentially what happens here in Canva, something that we love about Canva, is we can change it to be anything that we want it to be. We become graphic designers right here on Canva. And over here, there's this little black and white checkered box right here. You can adjust the transparency now of that box so that it's just a highlight. So you can add it right here and it's highlighted. It's now part of the picture. But when you come to then add your text, you can add that text up here and say, massage your body at home. Whatever, that didn't work. Massage your body. There you go. There's your title of your new video. Okay, so, but that now is in and you've made a slide. And then you come over here to present, hit this button here, and you hit download. Now here's what I want to say about the downloadables. You can download anything. And again, you can choose anything from presentation to Facebook to Instagram, whatever you're making. It's possible here, and they have it so that the measurements already fit. So you don't have to do a lot of finagling wherever you go. You can just make it fit. The PDF standard on presentation fits most PowerPoint. PDF, what I don't like about PDF is if you download this in PDF, it means that you cannot change it on PowerPoint. So I recommend that you do PNG or JPG, okay? Again, PNG, JPG. And what that means is that you'll be able to adjust it when you download it into PowerPoint. The other thing is when you make a bunch of these, so let's just do this. Again, I'm going to go to template because it's easy. So we've got that, and then you're going to go here and make another one, whoop, whoop, and then we're going to make another one, da, da. So now we want to download more than one. We are going to go to, if you have Microsoft and you have PowerPoint, you can download the whole stack That's what we call this in PowerPoint or in presentation style. You're downloading the stack of cards to create your PowerPoint. And I'm going to show you what it looks like now from the PowerPoint presentation version of this without downloading this so that you can see it. So then what happens is it shows up here in your PowerPoint just like this. So your whole stack becomes a presentation just like that. And it's already made because you made it right there on Canva and beautiful and ready to be articulated. And then when you get to this place and you're on your Zoom, see this bar up here? I hope you guys can see it. You can go here and it'll say more. You can go to share. So you'll hit that share button. But here, right here on this, before you hit share, go here and just tap the red part of your PowerPoint. You go up to slideshow and you hit play from start. And then up here in this corner, again, you can hit record and you can do share or stop share. And now you've got your PowerPoint presentation going. And that was all from the start of Canva. And once you get good at this, you can build out a PowerPoint presentation literally in minutes, When you have your key content and you've got your outline and you are super prepared and everything's been written and you have a sense and feel for what your brand looks like and how you want to do it, then that works great. Speaking of brand, let me offer this as well. So if we're going to use this, down here on upload, if you want to use your own images or your own logo, you can do that. So as you can see right here, here's my logo. So I can stick my logo even on every one of my cards if I want to, okay? So that's totally possible to do by creating these templates. You can still add your logo. If your graphics person hasn't given you one of these little sticky things, ask them to give you a transparent I call it the transparent logo sticky thing. And my graphic person seems to understand my language, but it's called the transparent sticky logo thing. That is the direct terminology. So ask for that, and then they can make it so that you can stick your logo anywhere on Canva, okay? Ah, isn't that amazing, you guys? I hope you don't mind the clunkiness of this. I just love this, and if there's any questions or curiosities or you want to learn more about Canva, let me know. If you want to learn how to apply it to more aspects of your business, like social media, or how to create thumbnails on YouTube videos, or even how to upload YouTube videos, let me know. We will get that done. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video. Have such a great day, you guys. Enjoy, go play on Canva. Bye.